Hi, children of grade 8. I welcome you all for the today's reading and writing class. Before getting into the session, let's see today's value. That is, you can't buy happiness, but you can buy books, and that's kind of the same thing. So, children, you cannot buy happiness, but when you buy books and start read, definitely you can feel the happiness. So, start read and feel the happiness. So, to improve your reading skill, let's read our textbook in our English classroom. So, children, let's start today's reading session. Children, take your textbook Honeydew. Chapter 3 Prose. The title of the chapter is Glimpses of the Past. From page number 43 and 44. Children, let's start today's reading part from chapter 3 Prose. Glimpses of the Past. Point 8 Revolt. REVOLT, revolt in the year of 1857. Look at the first line, children. Take your textbook, page number 43, third chapter 3, Glimpses of the Past, 8th point, Revolt, 1857. Look at the first line, children. Keep your fingers and read along with me. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. Then there was a violent, VIOLENT, violent outbreak, OUT, out, BREAK, break, at Meerut, MEERUT, Meerut. So let's read the line again, children. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. That's all from the first block. Let's move on to the second block. That's all from the first block. Let's see the second block here. The Sepoys, SEPOYS, Sepoys marched to Delhi. SEPOYS, Sepoys marched, MARCHED, marched to Delhi, DELHIE, Delhi. The Sepoys marched to Delhi. Look at the next line. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. LONG, long, LIVE, live, ROUR, Emperor, 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 Bahadur, BA, DUR, Dur, Bahadur, Shah, SHAH, Shah. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. So, that's all from the second block, children. Let's read the second block again one more time. The Sepoys marched to Delhi. Long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah. Look at the third block here. The rebellion spread wider. The rebellion spread wider. The rebellion, spelling REBE, rebellion, LLION, rebellion, spread, 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 wider, WIDER, wider. The rebellion spread wider. Look at the next block, children, fourth block. Many landlords, MANY, many landlords, LAND, land, LORDS, landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies and they were sore. So, look at the line, keep your fingers and follow me, children. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies. BRITISH, British policies, 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 and they were sore, SORE, sore. The white man's rule must end. The white man's rule, 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 must end. Yes, we will help you. Yes, we will help you. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies and they were sore. Next sentence, the white man's rule must end. Yes, we will help you. So that's all from the 8th point from page number 43 from the third chapter, Glimpses of the Past, Revolt. So let's move on to the ninth point, and that is the last point of the third chapter, children. That is the fight for freedom in the year 1857. So look at the ninth point here from page number 44, children. The fight for freedom in the year 1857. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat of Lucknow were bitter. Many former 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 rulers 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 like Begum 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 Hazrat HAZRAT Hashrat Mahal 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 of Lucknow 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 were bitter BITTER bitter. Look at the next sentence here. The white man has taken away my kingdom. The white man has taken away my kingdom. Kingdom, KINGDOM, kingdom. One more sentence there at the bottom. See here. They joined, JOINED, joined the upsurge, UPSURGE, surge against the foreigner. The upsurge against the foreigner. They joined, JOINED, joined the upsurge, UPSURGE, surge against the foreigner, FOREIGNER, foreigner. Let's read the first block again, children. Keep your fingers. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter, BITTER bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. They joined the upsurge against the foreigner. Look at the next block here. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Zabad. Popular leaders like Maulvi 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 Ahmadullah AHMEDULLA Ahmadullah of Faizabad 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 told the people, raise brother raise, the Angres is ruining our land. Raise brothers, BROTHERS, brothers raise, RISE, raise, the Angres, ANGREZ, Angres is ruining, RUINING, ruining our land. Here the bottom, the people are rose everywhere. The people rose, ROSE, rose everywhere, EVERY, everywhere, WHERE, where, in, barely, BAREILLY, barely, Kanpur and Allahabad. Kanpur, KAN, Khan, PUR, poor, and Allahabad, ALAHABAD, Allahabad. Let's read the second block again one more time. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Sabad told the people, raise brother raise, the Angres is ruining our land. The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad. So look at the next block, third block here. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Topi. Azimullah Khan, AZIMULLA, Azimullah Khan, KHAN Khan, told Tatya Topi, Tatya, TOPE, Topi, Tatya Topi, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib, we should have Peshwa, PESHWA, Peshwa Nana, NA, Nana, Sahib, SKHEB, Sahib, as our leader, LEADER, leader in this war of independence. Let's read the line again. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Topi, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence. Look at the last sentence here. The patriots pounced upon the British and fought battle all over North India. The patriots, 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 pounced, POUNCED, pounced upon the British, 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 and fought, F-O-U-G-H-T, fought, pitched, P-I-T-C-H-E-D. The patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battles over the North India. North, North India. India, India. So that's all from the third block, children. Let's read the third block one more time. Read along with me. Keep your fingers, children. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Topi, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence. The patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battles all over North India. Children, let's read the fourth block of the ninth point. See here. 80-year-old Kanwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. EIGHT, 80 year, YEAR, year old, Kanwar, CUNVWAR, Kanwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Look at the next point here. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. And let's read the fourth point. The fourth block again. Read along with me. 80-year-old Kanwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet, BULLET, bullet in his wrist. WRIST, wrist. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. So that's all from this chapter from our freedom moment, SD Shawant. So children, that's all. We have completed the third chapter, prose, glimpses of the past. That's all from the reading part of today. Let's move on to the writing part now. Children, that's all from the reading part. Let's move on to the writing part now. Children, let's start our writing part of today. Date 4/1/2021. Today we are going to write page number 32, children. First, let's start letter I. So, sharpen your pencil, children. Draw lines. Write over the dotted first. Let's start letter I, children. Write over the dotted line properly. Sharpen your pencil and write, children. Write the date. So children, we have completed the dotted line. Let's write the next line. Sharpen your right pencil, children. So that's all we have completed for Mondays 4/1/2021. Letter I, children. Next, we are going to write letter K for Tuesday. So see here, first we have to write the dotted line. Try to write over the dotted line properly, children. Sharp your pencil. Roll your pencil then and there. Then only you can use the pointed tips on the paper, and exactly you can write over the dotted line. That's all. We have completed the dotted lines, children. Let's write the next line. Follow the same pattern. See how I am writing, children? The same way you have to follow. So that's all. We have completed the next line. So this should be written for Tuesday, children. For Wednesday, we are writing L 6/1/2021. Let's write the dotted line first. Try to write over the dotted line properly, children. So children, that's all from the dotted line. Let's write the next line. So children, that's all. We have completed today's handwriting part from page number 32. So for Monday, letter I we are going to write. For Tuesday, letter K. And for Wednesday, letter L. 4, 5 and 6. So complete page number 32, children. So that's all from today's writing part. With another video soon. Until then, children, let's conclude this reading and writing part with our today's value, that is, you can't buy happiness, but you can buy books, and that's kind of the same thing. So children, you cannot buy happiness, but you can buy books. So read books and you can feel the happiness while you are reading books. So children, develop your reading skills by reading your favorite books and feel and enjoy the happiness.